Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to do some counting in Spanish. Remember we talked about the people who came from Spain and that they speak Spanish. So we are going to count in Spanish today. So let us count in English first and then we will count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already know how to count in English, but we want to learn to count in Spanish. We want to learn to count in Spanish. So let us look right here in the book. We're going to count to 5 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us go one more time. 1, that means 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So we are going to, let us count without using the book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. So let us count in English and then count in Spanish again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are going to count in Spanish now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on my board here, we have counting in Spanish. But what we are going to do is we are going to match the numeral to the Spanish name. This one is dos. What is dos again? What is dos? Is dos 1 or 2? Dos is 2. So we are going to look for the numeral 2. Is this the numeral 2? And we are going to match it to the word dos. So I want you to look for the Spanish word. Look at the Spanish word or look at the numeral and you're going to match them. So if numeral 1 is uno, you're going to match it to uno. Right, boys and girls? All right. Adios.